Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover disabled or temporarily restricted Facebook account. First of all, go to your Facebook's help center. You can search it in Safari too. Click the first link that pops up. Make sure you are not clicking a fake link, and then go ahead and search for my personal account is disabled. After that, follow prompts and submit ID if requested. Wait for 24 to 72 hours for a review, and go ahead and check your email for the confirmation. If you cannot find it over here, click on the three-line option in the top. Scroll down, look for spam, and then look for the link in your spam. After that, update security settings after recovery. Safety tip: do not violate Facebook policies at reactivation. Quick fix: try submitting an appeal from a browser, and that's it. Subscribe for more.